Okay guys, here's all the drivers and the dates that they started. You'll notice 1, 2, 3, 4, and this class. And 2 days for the class. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one. 3 days for the class. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You said no more than 6, right? 2, 3 days for the class. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? A couple days for the class. This one, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We ended for the 4th, and we started a new class on the 4th. Is that the problem? That I started the class on the same day? I can change that, I guess. The other issue is that obviously you guys said we only needed 2 people, Bice and Kevin Phillips, and now no one's approved. I don't know what else to do. If this is the issue, then I would only need to change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drivers that overlap with this start date. Okay, so I should only have 5 drivers that are not compliant, not everybody. Okay, so if you see anything here that's I'm supposed to do, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll change the date on those 5 drivers, but I don't think that's the problem because you have more drivers that are not compliant.